Hello children, this is your social mom speaking. I hope you everyone safe at home and be healthy. Today we are going to start our new lesson. What is our new lesson? Lesson 4 Beyond Our Skies Part 1. So in this lesson we are going to focus on the components of the solar system, some important characteristics of various planets. What makes Earth a unique planet? Yes. What is our first topic? The solar system. What is our first topic? The solar system. What are all the components of the solar system? The sun, moon, asteroids, meteoroids. These are all the components of the solar system. So we are going to start this topic with PEP activity. What is our PEP activity? PEP activity 4.1. So dear children, everyone take your studio. You have to do this activity. Are you ready? What can you see up in the sky during the day and on a clear night? List or draw and color everything that you think you would see. Yes, now we are going to draw, otherwise a list what we can see the day sky and night sky. What we can see the day sky, sun. What we can see? Sun, the bright sun. So you have to draw here sun. What we can see? The night sky, stars, moon. So you have to draw here. Otherwise you can write and you can do the decoration also. This is your wish. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what lies beyond the sun and the clouds? The sun, planets and the moon that we see all the part of the solar system. Yes, the sun, planets and the moon, these are all parts of the solar system. The word solar is used to describe things relating to the sun. Yes, so we are saying no, the solar system, the word solar is used to describe what are the things relating to the sun. What are the things relating to the sun? The solar system is called so because the sun is in the center. Which is the center of the solar system? Sun. And everything else revolves around the sun. Apart from the sun, the largest members of the solar system are the 8 major planets. They move around the sun in fixed paths called orbit. See this image. Which is the center of the solar system? Sun. Apart from the sun, 8 major planets are there. How many planets are there? 8 major planets are there. Which is the first planet? Mercury. Which planets we are all living? Earth. It is the third planet in the solar system. Listen children. So all the planets have separate orbit. See here, all the planets revolves itself and around the sun. Around the sun in fixed path. The fixed path is called orbit. Fixed path is called orbit. For example, Mercury takes shortest time period to around the sun one time. It takes nearly 88 days to around the sun one time because it is the first planet from the sun. But other planet is not like that. For example, Earth nearly take 365 days to around the sun one time. Yes, because it is far from the sun. It is third planet in the solar system. Think about Neptune. It is 8th planet from the sun. It takes longest a million of the years to around the sun one time. So like that, all the planets takes a difference a time period to around the sun one time. Now we are going to see about natural satellites. The natural satellites. There are also other smaller objects that revolve around some of the planets in fixed orbits. These objects are called the natural satellites of the planets. Yes, some of the planets has natural satellites, some of the planets not has a natural satellites. See here, Earth has natural satellite, Earth has only one natural satellite, that is Moon. See this image, which is the center of the solar system, Sun. Earth around the Sun, the Moon, which is the natural satellite of the Earth, Moon. Moon around the Earth. Listen here. So everything, the planets, the satellites also has a separate orbit. It is not touch each other. The Moon is an example of the natural satellite, while our planet Earth has only one moon. How many moon? Only one moon. Some planets have many or no moons moving around them. Yes, some of the planets have many moons. Some of the planets has no moon. What is the next one? Now we are going to see about star. So dear children, take your book, activity 4.2. Join the dots alongside the odd numbers to find out what is it. Yes, now you have to connect the odd numbers. Listen children, you should not connect the even number. You have to connect the odd number. 1, 3, 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 12 or 11, 11, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23. Wow, finally what we got? What we get children? Star. What is this? Star. Yes. Now what we are going to see? We are going to see about star. Humans have always been fascinated about stars and have wondered about them. We also have many stories and rhymes about stars. Yes, it is true because we always wondered about stars. While you studied KG or first standard, you heard many stories, many rhymes about star. Do you remember that? See how many stars are there. Is it countable children? Can we count the stars? No, it is impossible. Stars are actually giant balls of extremely hot gases. So, star inside we have giant ball of extremely hot gases. Some stars are bright and some are dim. Yes. While observing the night sky, observe carefully. Some stars are so bright. See here also. See this image. Some of the stars so bright. Some of the stars dim. The sun is also a star. Yes, in the solar system, the sun is also a star. In fact, it is only star in the solar system. Yes, in the solar system, the sun and other 8 major planets. So, which is the star of the solar system? The sun. Dear children, which is the biggest, sun or star? Let us know. There are many other stars in the sky that are bigger and brighter than the sun, but they are not a part of our solar system. Listen children, the stars are not part of the solar system. It is very far from the solar system. They lie beyond our solar system and are very far away. Hence, they appear very small. Actually and really, the stars are very, very big compared than sun. But why it is look like small? Because it is very far from the sun and solar system. That's why it look like very small. I hope you children, everyone understood which is the biggest, sun or star? Star. I hope we are going to do our next activity. What is activity? Look around 4.3. So everyone take your book. If you look at the stars keenly, you might observe that they appear to form some patterns in the sky, such as in figure 4. Yes, see the figure 4. So while you are observing the stars, we can see some other patterns on the sky. We can see there some patterns in the sky. See here. Yes. So like that, you have to draw any one pattern here. So in this space, see here, observe the star. What pattern could you see in the sky? You have to draw any one pattern here. I hope you children, everyone understood. We will move to the next one. Yes, what is that? Now we are going to see about the sun. Yes, which is the center of the solar system, the sun. The sun is the huge ball of the hot gases that produce heat and light of its own. Yes, which produce heat and light. The sun, which produce the sun. During the day, the sun is the biggest and the brightest object in the sky when seen from the earth. Yes, the sun is the biggest and the brightest object. Am I right? Yes. The reason it looks like so big and bright as compared to other stars seen in the sky, it is because it is much closer to the earth. Yes. So while we are seeing the daytime, it looks like the sun looks big and bright. Yes, compared to the other stars. So, because we are our third planet from the solar system. So, we are much closer to the sun. That's why it looks like biggest and brightest object. I hope you children, everyone understood. Yes, now you have to do this activity. Look deep. 4.4. How important is the sun for us? List 3 uses of the sun in the space provided. Listen children, here I given my answer. You can write your own answer also for the sun. Yes, what are all the uses? The sun gives us light. Yes, the earth is not producing any heat and light. We get light heat from the sun. Without light heat, we cannot live here. The sun gives us light. The sun gives us heat. The sun helps plant grow. Think children. Suppose we are not get sunlight. Can we get the food? Can people live on the earth? No, it is not possible. So help of the sunlight, sun heat. The human being life is possible on the earth. Conclusion. The sun is important to life on earth. Yes, it is true. There is no sunlight. It is not possible to live on the earth. We cannot get the food. You can write like that. Yes, now we are going to do this activity. The planets in the solar system. Yes, what are all the planets? 8 major planets. So you have to do this activity. Look deep. Unscribble the names of the planets in our solar system. Pick out the letters in the numbered boxes. Arrange them to find the hidden words. It's like a jumbled words. Yes, they given here a jumbled words. You have to rearrange it properly. So they given the clue here. What is this? The planets in solar system. So you can easily find and write. What is the first one? Mercury. What is the first planet? Mercury. Second planet, Venus. Third one, Earth. Fourth one, Mars. Next, Jupiter. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. See here they given some of numbers. 1, 2, 3 like that. 8 numbers. Up to 9 they given. How many numbers they given? 9. So what we have to do? The hidden word is, yes, 1 means, what is the letter? Where is the 1? 1 means yes. You have to take and write yes. 2 means, where is the 2? What is the letter? A. 3 means, what is the letter? Or. 4 means, yes, where is the 4? See here, 4. Yes. 5 means, what is the letter? Y. 6 means gas. 7 T. 8 E. 9 M. So finally, what is the word? Solar system. So I hope you children, everyone understood this activity. Listen children, here they given the jumbled words and they given the clue, the planet's name. So you have to rearrange and write the planet's name properly. Finally, you have to write the hidden words. I hope you children, everyone understood and enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.